By no means am I a professional. I am hacking this together because the camera keeps falling down. I needed a quick way to fix it that didn't cost me an arm and a leg and didn't require me to order anything from the internet. Hey everybody, a few months ago we did a video about our Haloview camera system, which I'll leave a link to up here. It's been serving us really well for the last several months. In that video, I mounted it to the dashboard using some double-sided sticky tape that came with it, and it worked great for a while. However, when the temperatures started to climb when we got to California, the glue started to lose its grip and it finally let go. I tried using command strips to reattach it, but that only lasted a few hours. The dashboard is very textured and porous, and things don't seem to stick to it well. I have looked at some other options for glue and tape and VHB, but all of those are going to probably either leave residue or leave an outline of where there's no sun on it. So over time, areas of the dashboard will fade except for what's underneath that. So in order to maintain the resale value of the truck, I wanted to make sure that I keep things as clean as possible, and I don't want to put any holes in anything or make any permanent changes that I can't undo later. So for the last week or so, the Haloview camera has been just sitting in my center console, which doesn't make it very useful. I finally made it back to civilization. I found a Lowe's and a Home Depot, and I decided to do some shopping to see if I could come up with a way to mount this to the dashboard that wouldn't require tape or glue and wouldn't force me to drill holes in places I didn't want to. So let me show you what I've come up with. Bye!